Hi, I'm Kat, and this is my husband Kurt, and we live in Fairfax Station. And behind us is our brand new beautiful kitchen, thanks to Dallas Kitchen and Bath. We bought our home in 2016, and when we purchased the home, we knew we kind of wanted to do a kitchen renovation. It was small for our family.
You knew. You knew you wanted to do I liked the kitchen the way it was.
So we did want to do a kitchen renovation. A few years later, now that we've been in the home for a while, we decided it was time because we wanted to enjoy it ourselves after we finished it. So we found Dallas Kitchen and Bath through one of the magazines that come to your home. We contacted them and about 2 other companies to get estimates and ideas. We chose Dallas Kitchen and Bath because they had the best design idea for our space, and we think really understood what we were looking for our family and our company and our pool parties. So we went with them. It took about 4.5 months to finish, from soup to nuts. They were great to work with, from the initial meeting to the design to picking everything out. Our project manager, Matt, was awesome. He was here every day, doing a great job for us, making sure everything was perfect, just the way it should be. Are super happy with this kitchen. We're so excited to entertain. In fact, our first big party will be on Labor Day weekend when we celebrate my dad's 80th birthday. So we're super happy.
And I'm sure they'll all be right here around this shuffleboard table that we've installed in the center of our kitchen. So, but I will say Dallas Kitchen and Bath did a fabulous job. All the changes, because you can't do this without coming up with changes as you sort of go. They were totally responsive, understood the reasonings behind them, talked us out of a few, talked us into a few, but it made it way, way better than it was going to be, probably even in the initial design. And I think one of the differentiators with them was that we picked the design where it was the most radical. Everybody else was sort of very conservative. And when they came in, they're like, this would be a wonderful space, but you're gonna have to blow that whole bathroom out of there. And that, I think, was one of her ideas kind of all along, is that she didn't just want it reorganized, she wanted it opened up and bigger. And so with their design and sort of their, it'll be okay, we can do this, that's sort of why we picked Dallas Kitchen and Bath. So with Dallas Kitchen and Bath, we had an on-site project manager the entire time, and the owner came, Johan, quite often actually. I would say he was here probably once a week or every couple of weeks just to check in, see how things were going, just to sort of the higher level overseeing of what was going on. But Matt, our project manager, was here every day, making sure we got what we need. And if he wasn't here, he was out picking up things that had come in from the slow supply chain for handles and kitchen, not appliances, but the sinks and the faucets. For the most part, Matt was on site every single day, overseeing what was going on, keeping the quality control up, and making any of the recommendations for modifications, and listening to all of our what if we do this, what if we do that. He was very patient with us. So anyway,
and the crew was wonderful too. The crew that was here every day.
Same crew. It wasn't a bunch of different people every day. It was the same guys every single day. We got to know. They brought in very, very high-end specialists for our brickwork that was required, and there was quite a bit of it. And they brought in specialists for our countertops and brought in specialists for our glass shower back in the laundry room area. And so they understood sort of where the dividing line was between what their general crew could do and where they needed to bring in very specific and I will say that the folks from the countertop company, and specifically the brick company, they were artists. They didn't just bring in a guy that could slap some mortar between some bricks. They were literally artisans that came, and I really appreciated that.
Yeah. I would highly recommend Dallas Kitchen and Bath to anyone looking at doing a large-scale project like what we did. or a smaller bathroom, I think you'd get great service. I think you'd be very pleased with the job.
She's already recommended them to several people, and I believe they just started a job in the general area here of Fairfax Station, Virginia, with one of our friends. So they're I think doing a bathroom renovation right now.